I'd like to talk about the most important question in the world. That question is, does ontological randomness really exist? Now, before you go away, let me tell you, ontological randomness is very interesting. It is the type of randomness that implies there are events that occur with no cause. It's not like the epistemological randomness of a coin flip. You know, you flip a coin and you don't know whether it's going to land heads or tails because you don't know all the little variables involved that are, you know, going to cause it to either land heads or tails. Ontological randomness, real randomness, is where an event occurs and there's no cause. It's a weird concept, and I actually believe it's an erroneous concept. I don't think ontological randomness, real randomness, exists in the world. And I say this for two reasons. The number one reason is that everything that we do, everything we interact with, every day, we depend on lawful occurrences. We depend on the sun coming up every day and doing the same thing. We depend on our cup of coffee doing the same thing to us when we drink it. The water that we boil does the same thing. The cup of coffee, the cup itself acts the same way day in and day out. We live in a lawful universe. And the reason, and in fact, Newton and other, scientists, generally science is founded on the idea, the foundation of science is the fact that things are lawful. But the reason that ontological randomness is important these days is because in the quantum world, quantum physics, there has been the suggestion that ontological randomness exists. I believe it's an ad hoc explanation because quantum physicists actually do not know why electrons do what they do, and they say it's because of ontological randomness. And yet, one of the big problems with that I have is they describe the activities of these electrons using probabilities. It has a 25% chance of being here, a 50% chance of being there. Anything that can be described as probabilities is you're describing patterns. And when you're describing patterns, you're not describing ontological randomness because ontological randomness, real randomness, has no pattern. That is the essence of it. There are no causes. It supposedly happens in and of itself with no reason. That to me is the most interesting question. I don't believe there's any evidence for ontological randomness, but to me the idea, the concept of it is that if it did exist, if there's any evidence, if there's any way that we could tell whether it exists or not, it would basically blow over all we know about the universe. Because right now, the way we look at the universe, both scientists looking at the universe in a very technical, professional manner, and everyday people, we all look at the universe as being lawful. We expect things to happen today like they did yesterday. It is a lawful universe, and I do not see how randomness can actually take place. There's actually a third reason I don't like randomness, if you don't mind listening to a little more of this rant, and that is, if there were randomness, if there was a little pocket of randomness, even if it was the tiniest little particle that was acting randomly, how would you limit that randomness from the rest of the universe? Because everything is interconnected. That quantum mechanics also says. It's interconnected to an incredibly tight way, that everything is interconnected, interlocked. The incredible interconnectivity of everything in the universe is such that if there was any part of the universe that was ontologically random, that randomness would spread out. It would make everything random, is what I'm trying to say. That's the bottom line, and that's the third reason, because not everything is random, and therefore I do not believe in ontological randomness, which is the most interesting question, I do believe. Thank you.